just replacing a battery with my daughter, almost 1 million views. Yeah. That's the kind of content that before I kind of decided, okay, it's just going to be whatever I'm doing today, we wouldn't have uploaded. Because I would have been like, oh, I don't know if there's enough meat on this bone. I don't know if there's enough learnables. But then I was just like, no, my daughter's phone is broken. And this is an opportunity for her to do something she's never done before. And there's a whole new generation of viewers that is just like her and hasn't seen me replace a battery before. Why are we afraid to do this?
It's also not as normal now.
This
which
is
makes
true
it
too.
interesting.
And she had a blast. Actually, you know what's really kind of funny, but also she was almost in tears about it, is on last Friday, no, not last Friday, earlier this week, my other daughter broke that phone. Dropped it and the screen shattered.
It's kind of, yeah, you're right. It's kind of funny, but it's also really sad.
The timing blows.
She just fixed it.
So Kat just fixed it. She just had this honestly kind of fun experience of she's invested in it. And she has more of an emotional attachment to it. It's something we did together. And I'm looking at it going, okay, well, now what path do we take? Because it's already a 6 or 7 year old phone or something like that. And I was barely even wanting to buy a new battery for it, let alone a new screen, which is a way more invasive replacement. I'm and more expensive than the battery. Do I just get her a new phone now? It's pretty close to her birthday. Also, it would put her on the same cycle as the other 2 kids who both just got new phones. There's a lot of reasons, but then part of me is just no, but we should just Frankenstein's monster, phone of Theseus it, and we should just, I don't know, which way would you go? She needs a stylus. Not needs, but she loves the stylus. So that really limits my options.
Even cool that she likes the stylus too. I would almost see that as a benefit. What new phones have a stylus?
Very few. The top end S series phones do, but they're huge. Whereas the Note 10, not the Plus, the Note 10 was a very reasonable size for a kid still-ish. I miss reasonable sized phones.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Is there a route? Oh man, this stuff is so complicated because it's how does the kid respond to it? So I was going to say this is more expense. Sorry. By the way, $65,000 in switches. But what if you got her to replace the screen, and as a reward for replacing the screen,
then she can sell the phone and we'll get her a new one.
She gets the nice new one.
Yeah, or something like that. I could see us doing that. Yeah, I'll think about it a little bit.
Because I don't know how much that phone's worth, but I think just the process of if she enjoyed the previous one, showing her that there can be a reward in fixing things, I think is cool. Does that make sense? Even if it's not fixing it for you.
Dan's in chat. You're right here, Dan. He says, make the one who broke it fix it.
Yeah, why not? Why not?
She's still a little young for that delicate of an operation.
I don't think so. The phone's already broken.
Yeah, and the stakes are lower this time because
absolutely
of what happened last time. I did set up backup on it, so at least we're not don't break this thing.
I started when I was 3, cool. And I turned out normal.
So
I'm excited for that project next week, Dad.
Me too. See? Make her fix a screen. Do it. Do it.
What?
I'll think about it. About it.
Yeah. I think fixing the screen, if I think you did this with 3D printing. You sowed an interest. She displayed some interest in, thank you, in replacing the battery. Do you just kind of keep that going? It's $80, kind of sucks. Maybe you can recover some of that cost reselling the phone. I really don't expect a 7-year-old phone is
worth a couple $100 still.
Really?
It's kind of a unique phone.
I would definitely do it then.
Yeah. And it has a fresh battery
whether
in it
you
now,
keep it or not.
Yeah,
I
okay.
would replace the screen.
All right, maybe we'll do
brand new screen, brand new battery version of that phone is probably worth an okay amount.
Yeah, it's probably worth something.
Yeah.